Hello students, today we will learn to draw the angles of 60 degree, 120 degree and 180 degree using compass. For that you need to draw a ray which will be the baseline of the angle. This is the ray. It can be of any length and you will name it as OA. This is ray OA. Now take the compass. You can open the compass to any of the radius of your choice, but take care that it should neither be so small or not too big. Now using this compass, you have to draw an arc which will meet the ray OA. Now from this point where this arc meet the ray OA, without disturbing the compass, you will not disturb, with the same radius you will keep the tip of the compass at this point and cut the arc. Now take the pencil and join these 2 points, point O and this point where this ray is cut. Now you will join these 2 points. Very carefully you will join these points. Now this is the angle of 60 degree. At this line you got the angle of 60 degree. Now again you will take the compass and you don't have to disturb it. It should be of the same radius. जिससे हमने ये पहले आर्क लगाई थी ना, ये उतनी ही खुली रहेगी. You will not disturb it. Now from this point where we have drawn the angle of 60 degree, we will cut the circle once again. Now join these 2 points, this point and this point O. Now this angle is the angle of 120 degree. You can say that if we mark it as B, then angle BOA, we will name it as this angle. This point is point B. Angle BOA is the angle of 60 degree, and this, if we mark it as C, angle COA. Angle COA is the angle of 120 degrees. Now again with the same radius of the compass, we have not disturbed it. It is opened the same as we have opened in the starting. We will keep this compass at this point, the point of 120 degree, and we will cut arc once again. Now we will join this point with this point O. And if we call it as D, so angle DOA is equal to 180 degree. This angle DOA, as you all know that 180 degree is a straight angle. You have studied it in the previous class also. Angle DOA is the angle of 180 degree, which is a straight angle. So this is how we make the angle of 60 degree, 120 degree and 180 degree using compass. For any query, you can see the video again and again, or you can comment me in the comment box for your questions. Thank you.